Hi there! So in India, we depend heavily on our house helps to sweep and mop our floors, which means if they skip a single day of work, everything else can be managed except cleaning the floors. Well, not anymore. This is the Hire robot vacuum cleaner that does the jhadu and pocha of your home. Trust me, I've used many vacuum robots, but the Hire robot truly stands out. Firstly, it does a great job without burning a hole in your pocket. It's currently retailing at just 13,990 on Flipkart. Let me share all my user experience in detail so you can decide if you should buy the Hire robot vacuum cleaner or not. Let's begin. So we'll start with a quick unboxing. Here is the retail packaging, a big brown box. Here you can see the image of the robot, some manufacturing details and the MRP, some more details like the weight and battery size on the side. Let's open it up. Inside actually we have another white box, very clean. You can see it comes with Alexa and Google Assistant support. Some more key features are mentioned below. Let's open up this one as well. So inside the box right in the front is the Hire's robot vacuum cleaner. Then you have some paperwork. Starting from the top is the warranty card and you also have an instruction manual. It's pretty detailed. Then here on the far left, this is the charging dock. Then you have two pairs of side brushes. Then you also have a cleaning brush which is provided along. Then here is the charger that connects to the dock. Then you have a really nice compact remote. This is going to be very handy. More details about this further in this video. Then you have a mopping pad. This is actually an extra pair. Then you have a HEPA filter. And this is the water tank, and this is basically used when you want to mop the floor. But don't you think this is too thick? How will this fit here? Well, let's turn it the other way around first and let me give you a quick look. Right in the center is the brush. This is from where all the vacuuming will happen, and all the sensors are on the front and on the sides so it doesn't bump into things, which is really good. Now you press this button here and you pull out this brush and you can clean this brush, something that you need to do once in a couple of days. Let's fix it back. There you go. Now right here on the back is the dust collection tool. This is when you will be vacuuming your floor. So now this is where all the dust will be collected. Now you can remove this and fix this right here. There you go. Now this box is going to be for vacuuming and mopping both. So this is going to be really handy. And of course you can see this mopping pad. This is connected via Velcro, which you can remove and wash it. And the best part is that Hire is providing an extra pair of the mopping pad as well. Just in case this becomes too old, you can still start using that. Or if it's not dry, you can use a second pair, whatever way that works for you. So overall, a really well-built device. Let's quickly pair it. So we have placed the Hire vacuum with the dock to charge. Make sure the light on the dock is blinking. Press the power button. Now open the Hire Smart app on your phone and you'll see a pop-up asking for the Hire robot to be paired. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials. It will take a couple of seconds. Choose the model number and there you go, the device will be ready to use. To start, you can either press the power button on the robot or use the power button on the remote. Plus, you can even turn on the vacuum robot from the app directly. Let's talk about the vacuuming function first. So it comes with a 2200 PS suction power, which means it's quite powerful and efficiently cleans your floors, collecting all the dust and dirt. Trust me, it cleans every nick and corner, even under the chairs. In fact, my old robot had trouble going under the center table, but the Hire robot cleans under the table just perfectly and doesn't have any problems maneuvering. The side brushes on the edges make sure it cleans even in the corners. In fact, there's an option in the app for edge cleaning, where it goes around the house or room cleaning the edges even more precisely. It does an excellent job. Also, I must say, it's quite silent when used in normal mode. You can switch it to eco mode if you want it to be more silent. Then strong mode for more powerful performance, and max obviously will run the vacuum suction to the full potential, but will surely be a little louder. Still, not loud that two people can't talk, so that's not something you should be concerned about. Now there will always be places at your home where there is not enough accessible space and the robot won't be able to clean that area. So that's something you have to keep in mind. Once the cleaning is done, the robot will automatically come back to the dock and start charging. It comes with a built-in 2600 mAh battery and roughly runs for about 90 to 120 minutes and covers about 1200 square feet. All the vacuuming dust is collected in the dust box at the bottom. It has a pretty good capacity as well. Just remove it once the vacuuming is done and empty it in the bin. So let's have a closer look at the remote. Now the first thing you need to know is that it's really nice and compact, easily fits in your palm. Right on the top is a display which shows you the time. This is the auto cleaning mode. This is where you can change the modes for cleaning. Right in the center is pause and play. Then you have this D-pad which is basically guiding the vacuum cleaner in the direction you want it to go. Then this is scheduling the cleaning. This is to go back to the dock to charge, and this is to set the time on the display. It's really nice and super simple to use. Now, what about mopping, or pocha as you might say? Well, the first step is to fill water in the water tank box, which has a capacity of 350 ml. Remove the dust collection and fit this one. There you go, done. Time to mop the floor. So the microfibers present within the mopping pad ensures even water penetration. It's effective in removal of stains, and it also quickly dries the floor. No watermarks either, so no risk of slipping or floor damage. Alright, let's have a quick look at the Haier Smart Companion app. So right here, first you will see that the device is showing charging, robot vacuum, click on it. Now as this opens up, you can see that right now it's in sleep mode. Then you can see it's charging, you can see the battery percentage, you can see the mode. Then of course you can click on start cleaning and it will start cleaning instantly. You can of course send it back to charge if you want to, which is very convenient from here. Then you can change the suction speed directly from here. You can keep it off. You can come to eco mode, normal mode, strong mode, max mode, and of course in max mode there is already a tip that the battery drain will be a lot more than usual, so that's something you got to keep in mind. Then of course further down it will also show you the water tank level. Right now it's not connected, so it's not showing. Then further down there is work mode, there's edge cleaning, then there's spot cleaning, then there's manual cleaning. You can also set a timer. So overall you can see the app is really easy and super simple to use. The Haier Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for every home. You can schedule your home cleaning, which technically means you don't even need to be home for vacuuming and mopping. It's really handy. Haier also gives you Alexa and Google Assistant support, so you can give a voice command to your Alexa speaker to begin vacuuming. We have paired our devices with Alexa, so now we can control the device with a voice command. But remember, you will need an Alexa speaker for this to work. You can buy the Haier Robot Vacuum Cleaner from Flipkart and even the Haier website for 13,999. I'll share the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.